Hey guys, how's it going? How to understand electoral college votes. So, first of all, the electoral college is a mechanism established by the U.S. Constitution for electing the president and vice president. There are 538 electoral college votes in total. A candidate needs a majority of 270 votes to win the presidency. In each state, electoral voters are based on its representation in Congress, the number of senators always 2 plus the number of representatives, which varies by population. And most states use a winner takes all system, meaning the candidate who wins the majority of the popular vote in that state receives all its electoral votes. And Maine and Nebraska use a proportional allocation method, awarding some votes to candidates based on congressional district outcomes. Each state appoints electors who officially cast the votes for their chosen candidate during the electoral college meeting in December, and the president is elected by the electoral college, not directly by the national popular vote, which can result in a different outcomes in close election. By grasping these points, you can better understand how the electoral college functions in the US presidential elections. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.